Are you trying to reach high notes with your voice by screaming? This is a difficult for most singers, especially if you've never taken singing lessons. There are some techniques to avoid this and also some great exercises to start correcting this problem. This is the subject of this video. There are three main reasons why we end up forcing our voice too much and yelling when trying to reach those high notes. The first one is emotional tension. Since high notes are more difficult because they are outside the middle region of our voice that we use most when we sing, whenever we need to reproduce a higher note, we become emotionally tense or afraid. The best solution for this is to focus on your rehearsals and your vocal training for high notes. The more familiar you become with this region of your voice, the less fear you will have when applying it in a performance. The second reason is muscle tension. Muscle tension can be caused by what was our first reason, which is the emotional tension that triggers muscle tension. But this tension can also be generated by lack of technical preparation for singing high notes. It's very common. When we don't have the knowledge and vocal technique necessary to sing high notes, we overload our voice's muscles and structures excessively. This will cause you to not only get tired quickly, but also become hoarse or not even be able to sing the notes you wanted. Let's go deeper. How do high notes happen in our voice? Our voice is produced by our vocal cords. They vibrate with the passage of air and produce a sound that's modified until it comes out of our mouth. However, to produce certain sounds, low and high, we need to stretch or shorten our vocal cords. For this, we need the help of other muscles, other structures in our body. It's worth to remember that these muscles need training to develop the necessary coordination for this. Continuing. For each region of our voice, these muscles configure or work in different ways, and we call these different configurations vocal registers. Basically, when we sing, we mainly use two vocal registers: chest voice and head voice. The chest voice is the register responsible for the low notes in our voice, and the head voice is responsible for the high notes. At this point, you need to know that not just the notes that change, but the type of sound also changes. In chest voice, our sound is heavier and stronger. In head voice, it becomes lighter and sweeter because our vocal folds are stretched. It's possible to sing high notes with that strong sound, but that's a topic for another video. Let's take one step at a time. Let's do some exercises together to properly train your access to high notes. Remembering to always do each exercise at least 3 times. For this, just rewind the video to the point where we'll start each one. Is it a deal? Okay. The first exercise will be using a 5th interval, meaning a jump of 5 notes in the major scale. We will do like this. Means with me in this octave. Girls an octave higher. Remember to lighter the sound when we reach the high notes. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Take a breath, take a glass of water, and let's do this exercise 2 more times. Rewind to the point at we started and do again. If you already did, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and let me know your answers and what you are thinking about this exercise here on the comments. Let's do the second exercise. For the second exercise, we will do this. But slowly. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. That's all. Remember to do this exercise 2 more times. If you have any question, let me know here in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and here is another video to continue improving your voice. I see you in the next video.